We're going to reuse this timing belt tensioner. All we're going to do is clamp it together on the vise. I just have a piece of wood there so we don't really mar up the metal. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I'm just going to put it on the vise and start to clamp this down. This is a new tensioner. If you're doing the timing belt job and this is an old tensioner, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to replace it since it's had a lot of use. But this tensioner is fairly new. It's probably about a year old. So it's not very old. It still is in great shape. We're just going to slowly compress this on the vise. You definitely want to have safety glasses on because there's a lot of tension under this. So just slowly crank it. These two holes have to be aligned so we can put this pin in and then it'll go through the other side. I have that through both sides now and this is all the way clamped down again. What this is really going to do is once we bolt this onto the block of the engine, when we have the timing belt on, everything is connected. I'll just take this pin, pull it out, and that'll push up against the timing pulley, and then that'll just add tension to the whole belt. I'll go ahead and bolt this tensioner on. We're gonna put the tensioner pulley on now. This piece here goes on the back side, flat part, and then this slides on just like that. And then this goes on right above the tensioner, and then that screws on. You can see whenever I lift this up, it's on an offset, so that pushes the belt this way.